Hi, I'm Ella Jones, Head Girl at Afon Taf, and I cannot wait to start Merthyr College this September. Choosing what to do after year 11 is honestly stressful, but as soon as I came here, it just felt right. Really inviting, good vibes, everyone's friendly, it just clicked. I'm applying for A-level PE, Biology and Psychology because my dream is to go into physiotherapy. Having the exact subjects I need all in one place is a massive win. What actually made this easier was the quality of teaching. My brother and sister both came here, and they were always going on about how supportive the tutors are. And now I've met them myself, yeah, I can see exactly what they meant. They're genuinely helpful, easy to talk to, and they want you to do well. I've been coming to taster sessions and events here for a few years too, and that really helped me feel comfortable. It already feels like a place I know. Support here is amazing too, whether you need academic help, wellbeing support, revision space, or just someone to check in with. There's always someone around, you're never on your own. One of the biggest things for me though is football. When I found out the college was a girls' football academy, game changer. It means I can study the subjects I love and keep playing the sport I'm passionate about with coaches and proper opportunities. Getting here is easy as well. Loads of transport options, a bus stop literally outside, and it's only like 5 minutes from the main bus and train station. And it's not about only lessons, there's so much going on. Curriculum academies, all linked to employers, uni prep programs, sports teams, the Learner Senedd, Welsh clubs and loads of fun events. College life actually feels fun, not stressful. If you're in year 11 and you're unsure what's next, seriously, come see the Merthyr College for yourself. It's friendly, it's safe, the opportunities are unreal, and honestly, I can't wait to start. See you in September.